Counterfeit currency is estimated to cost businesses as much as $220 million each year in the United States alone. If you want to defend your business from this fraudulent currency, counterfeit detectors are exactly what you need. Here at Cassida, we have 3 models with different designs and features that will suit everyone's needs: the InstaCheck, the Quattro, and the Omni ID. But let's focus on the Quattro to demonstrate counterfeit detector in action. Using a counterfeit machine is very easy. All you have to do is ensure that the note is flat and not damaged. Insert it into the slot, any direction that you would like, and you will see a simple pass or fail. In addition, the dollar amount of the note that was passed in US dollars. Other than the pass-fail indication, Quattro displays the denomination of the bill. For larger transactions, push the report button to get immediate feedback of the denominations. Note 50, 20, and 10. Pushing the report button says 3 notes, total of $80. The great plus with the Quattro is, unlike most competing detectors where you have to worry about inserting the bill in a certain way, the Quattro is able to authenticate a bill inserted in any of 4 possible orientations. Quattro won't reject currency just because the clerk inserted it upside down, backwards, or forwards, which makes the Quattro a perfect companion to avoid frustration and training burden. Another great feature of Quattro is the portability. This device, thanks to the included battery, allows you to take to wherever you want. Finally, depending on your needs, you can decide to have the genuine bills being ejected in front of you from the back to save precious time when you're scanning multiple bills. By selecting the back, the bill will return to you where you insert it. This style is most convenient when you are dealing with one bill at a time. However, if you want to run through multiple bills quickly, we recommend selecting direction forward, where bills will be deposited on the other side of the machine in a very quick fashion. To show you how the Quattro can be useful in everyday business life, we prepared a stack of genuine notes and a single suspect note. Some suspect counterfeit notes look similar to genuine bills and can easily have a clerk take them by mistake. All the clerk has to do is insert them into the Quattro. They quickly pass through as a transaction is being completed with their customer. The machine will let them know if there is a suspect note. The clerk can easily pull it out and continue with the transaction. For lower budget, we have another great option to protect your business. With the Cassida InstaCheck, confirm a bill's authenticity in less than a second with a clear pass or fail indication. Note the bill needs to be inserted in a specific orientation which is plainly printed on the machine. Omni ID is the same as InstaCheck, but it has one nice feature that stands out from everybody else. It's called ID check. To check the authenticity of someone's ID, put the ID, such as a driver's license, inside, underneath the UV lights. If the watermark is present, then the ID is real. If the watermark's not there, you've just exposed a person with a fake ID. As you can see, if you have a Quattro in your business, no one will be able to fool you, and you won't accept suspect money from anyone ever again.